This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News, and we're here in Orlando at CTIA Wireless Show 2011 with John Geary, Senior VP of Product Marketing and Product Management from Openwave, and Mike Iandola, VP General Manager for Juniper's Mobile Business Unit. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us.
The partnership that Juniper has with Openwave is actually probably the best example of how vendors can get together to help solve critical problems with our customers. We believe that the mobile space is really rapidly evolving to a model where there's going to be a lot more data, a lot more multimedia, and really take advantage of or require the use of IP core. And Juniper, as you know, is a strength in IP, so we believe that actually the market is moving towards where Juniper's strength is. Our whole approach is to build our IP core based on our family of high-performance routers that enable a lot of value-added services, which brings us to our partnership with Openwave. Because with Openwave, we have the ability to take in the best of breed with video optimization, put it on our platform, and rapidly deliver to our customers to solve a significant problem that they have today. And that problem is the explosion of data, the explosion of video is choking the networks.
So it's interesting because there are a number of aspects. You mentioned the data surge. The data surge is characterized by primarily video, which is accounting for 40% plus. It's a surge from circuit switch to IP, as Mike indicated, but it's also a surge, in a sense, from one business model, 3G, where everything was, I'll call it self-contained, to a 4G business model, which is much more open, much more ecosystem driven. So if you look at where the revenues are going to come from in 4G, they're going to often come from over-the-top services. So building an ecosystem and partnerships is critical for the operators. Same thing is critical for the vendors. So that's why we got together with Juniper and said, let's put something together that's best in class, but let's focus in on the intelligence we can bring. So rather than a uniform solution, which for example would compress all data the same, or simply focus on compression, we focused on intelligent solutions. I'll give you one example. Instead of traditional methodology today, which is to compress all the packets in a more uniform way, we've developed a congestion control capability which senses when a network is congested and only applies the compression in that domain. So rather than use expensive CPU or other types of capability, we focus really in on solving the problem that's there. The beauty of working with a Juniper is we've coordinated and orchestrated so that we only take care of the packets that need some enhanced service, and they continue to do the packet processing in the world-class IP platform they have independent.
Just to one point to emphasize that with our approach, working with Openwave, we're able to take advantage of our strong platform. The MX platform, as John mentioned, has very significant performance advantages over the competition that really allows us to deliver these types of services at the lowest possible cost of operation to our customers. But perhaps the most important aspect is not just the fact that we're doing it much more cost effectively, but we're able with our open core and our software architecture to deliver much faster with partners on top of the platform.